It's so funny. I recently made a purchase. This is a NeoPixel lightsaber. I got it from Imperial Workshop for about $170. That's included with tax, and it is so worth it. Like, you can get the fancy $700 ones, but this is like, if you don't care for like the hilts, this is so nice. And unscrew the bottom, take out the battery, and there's a SIM card right in there. So then you take this, you take a card reader. One comes with it. I already had my own. So once you plug it in, all these folders show up, right? You just click 15. These are all the sound files that it has in the Saber. So this had me wondering, if it's easy as just putting it in a folder, I want to make my own. So let's do that. I want to know, like, what defines how it reads, right? That part I'm not too sure about. I'm not, 100% sure about everything. For crossguard and double blade saber, that would be sick. There's so many different things. So this is all the colors. Sounds good. And this is just in the saber, not on the actual. Okay. It came with, I think, like 33 different sound fonts. Sound fonts are like the different lightsaber colors and sounds. Like if you double click the button, it plays music. Especially for the Darth Maul one, it plays Dual Fates, which is so cool. I love that addition. Whenever you double tap that button, it programs to go from here. And every time you press the button once, it creates a blaster. So that's one of the blasters that it would play. If you press it again, that would be another blaster, so on. So I have to replicate all these and make it into my own thing, add the color, add the effect of the blade, and then I should be set. But what sounds am I gonna do? It's gonna be all me, baby. I'm making my own lightsaber of me. That means I have to record audio for it. So I open up Audacity, which is gonna be my thing of choice. Pew pew. Hunter Saber sounds, and then I'm just gonna rename it Blaster. There we go. How's it going? And I just have to do this for all of these, which is gonna be intense. There's 16 clashes. I'm gonna do 10. Perfect. File, save, X, and then let's go see if it works. I just ejected the SD card. So when you are reassembling from the SD card, put in the SD card first and then the battery. Always do that because you don't want to fry your board. Whenever you're taking this kind of stuff out, take out the battery first. Moment of truth. That's easy.
You're hard to get rid of.
So then, red. So if we go back one, goes back to Kylo Ren, which you just hold for half a second. And then the one behind should be ours.
I'm awake.
I don't know if you guys can hear this. Oh my god, this is so good. That's not it.
I'm awake. Why are you dragging me? Stop, please. Stop. This hurts so much. Stop. I'm sorry. I won't do it again. Ow, ow, God, ow, ow, stop.
And then
Wait, ow, pretty lights. Ooh, pretty lights.
and if I do this,
Wait. Color change active.
so I can change the color.
Color selected.
So if I wanted this color. And then
Ooh, pretty lights.
I guess you can't see it there either.
Color selected.
It's kind of pulsating too, like you can see it pulsating.
Ooh, pretty lights.
There you go.
Ooh, pretty lights. Ooh, pretty lights. Ow, 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 please stop. Okay, I'm done, we can go. Ow, God, this burns, please stop, please, get me away, please. Oh my God, this burns so much. Oh my God, are you guys done yet? Please, I don't want to.
Again, this was Imperial Workshop. I'm not sponsored in any way, although I want to be. If you guys want an editor, please hire me. I know you guys are close. I got this within 2 days. Please. I could do so much for you guys. Please. That would be so freaking cool. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later.